Hello everyone. The name of our final year project is Thrifty Efficient Air Conditioning System. As there are many brands, they sell their air conditioning units with capacities different according to the consumer needs. So the cooling capacity or the energy required to cool the area is generally wasted in cooling the walls of the room or the space or the hall they are required in. The equipments like lighting and windows, the cooling generally escape out from that. So the main purpose of the cooling in which we want the cooling to be required is not given to the customer. So with this final year project, we have invented and innovated a air conditioning system, and we have changed something that can easily save the energy and save the money also. So with this air conditioning system, we have reduced the size and the area of the room in which we want the cooling to be required. We have designed an air conditioning system and fabricated also with the customer's need so that the energy can be saved and the cooling capacity in which we want that can also be reduced.
For fabrication of covering and structure, we have to choose an area in which a two-person can easily sleep. So we decided to choose an area of a bed. For this, we have to make a structure and make a covering so that covering can be put on a structure. For deciding a covering, we have to find a different material which will be a waterproof and heat resistant. So after researching a market, we choose a tarpaulin for covering and for putting an insulating material inside a covering. For making an insulating covering, we have to choose a best material so that it will be a best resistant to conductive of heat. To choose a best insulating material, we research in a market and do our testing on different material. After doing testing, we find that glass wool will be a best material for it. In testing, we performed an experiment in which we are giving a heat on one side of a glass wool which is covered in a tarpaulin, and on it, when difference between both sides came to a difference of 60 degrees Celsius. So we choose this glass wool material for a covering and to put it in tarpaulin. For a structure, we choose UPVC material of pipes because it's easy to assemble and disassemble and easy to take it anywhere because it's portable. We can assemble it and disassemble it. And for making a covering,